Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new episode on this blue Mark II 16 valve Golf. So in the last episode we totally finished off the front of it, which is great. That's good to get that out of the way. And I started polishing this wing. So I think what I'm going to do, there has been a delivery of a couple of things that we were waiting for, like the door lock pins and whatever else. I think we're still waiting on the fabric paint, so hopefully that turns up soon. It's getting to that time of year where it's kind of hard to get things done because you can't get parts in time, but everything that we need for this will be here in time so that we can get it finished, hopefully in the not too distant future, as in, you know, maybe, well, hopefully by next week at the latest, really. So, because yeah, it has been a bit of a marathon. So I think to start with today, what I'm going to do is just continue on polishing down this side, and then we can see what other bits and pieces we can do just to make it a bit more interesting for you. Sorry, that was quite a lot of time lapse for you. Took a lot longer for me. Basically, I've polished up this side of the roof and the rest of this side. So it took a wee while just to get it up to the kind of standard that I want it at, but yeah, it's done now, so that's good, and I'll let you have a look and see how it is. Again, it's kind of hard to capture on video, but hopefully you can see that it's a nice even shine, no sanding marks, no kind of dull bits or anything like that. It's just a nice even shine all the way down. So it took a while, but definitely worth the effort. I'll not bother showing you the roof just now because I still need to clean it off, but there's no point in doing that because as soon as I polish the other side of the roof, then there'll just be bits of polish flying everywhere. So that's that. And I did spot that over on the red one with the wing I found for it, I don't know if you can see, but there's a wee black thing that we need for this one. So it should be the same size. So what I'll do is I'll go and climb over, prise that out and see if that'll fit onto this new one. And then we can maybe have a look at the door lock pins as well, just so it's not a whole video of polishing. So I just pulled that out and hopefully it should fit okay. Yep, straight in. That's great, that's another piece of the puzzle. And I put the little bits and pieces that arrived today inside this. So should have some door lock pins. Yeah, there was an advisory for the rear light, number plate light, so I just ordered a cluster just in case. It wasn't just a bulb. Yeah, this should be door lock pins. Put you down for a sec. So here we are. Should be just a case of screwing them in. That's in all the way. That looks better than a bit of metal sticking out. Can we get this one in as well? Got quite a long thread on them. So what do we still need to do to this side? This trim I noticed is a little bit loose, so I'll need to sort that out. But I'll just do that off camera because it's not going to be very exciting. I don't think there's anything much else to do. I did notice that there was some masking tape left over on these bits on the roof, but there's no point in trying to clean them off because obviously we need them masked off just now for for doing the waxing and for polishing on the other side. We're missing the cover down there, so I'll need to have a rake around and see if I can find one of them or pinch one off another car. Well, that was another decent bit of progress today. Not very exciting, but I really wanted to try and get as much of the car polished today as I could have. So that means that we've done the bonnet, one full side and half the roof. So it should definitely be able to do the other half of the boot and the other half of the roof in the next shift, because that was the side that I'd polished as well, so it'll just need a quick run over basically. So we can do that tomorrow and see what other wee bits need done as well. But yeah, we're getting there. Really hope it'll be finished soon. It's been a long time, but it's really nice to see the almost finished product, and I can't wait to give you a walk around when it's totally finished and take it for a drive as well, and just enjoy the fruits of all the labour. So thanks for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.